Welcome Arithmetic Ninjas to question 25. Now this one's a reasonably easy one, but there are harder ones that might be waiting for you later, so I'm going to show you a method that will work every time. I'm actually going to use a column method. I'm actually going to set this up like a column method. So 1 3/4, so I'll have 1 3/4 on top of just 3/4. Now 3/4 is like no whole ones and 3/4. You don't really need to put that 0 in, but 3/4 is no whole ones and 3/4. So I've got my whole ones and I've got my fraction part in this column. Okay, so 1 3/4 plus no whole ones and 3/4. Now let's think about what we've got. So 3/4 and 3/4. Well, that's like saying 3 oranges and 3 oranges, 6 oranges. 3 apples and 3 apples is 6 apples. So 3/4 and 3/4 is actually 6 quarters. And 1 whole one and no whole ones is still 1 whole one. So we've actually got 1 whole one and 6 quarters. But what you've got to remember here is 6 quarters is actually an improper fraction. And 6, so you can't leave this as an improper fraction. You need to turn that into a mixed number. 6/4 is the same as 6 divided by 4. 6 over 4 is 6 divided by 4. 6 divided by 4 is 1 remainder 2. And see, as we're dealing with quarters, it's 1 and 2/4. So we've basically got 1 whole one plus this 6/4, which is 1 whole one plus 2/4. So we've got 1 whole one plus another whole one and 2/4. Add your 2 whole ones together, and that gives you 2 whole ones, and then you've got your 2/4 left. So your final answer is 2 whole ones and 2/4. Or, if you wanted to be really clever, you could simplify the 2/4 to be a half, or 2 1/2. Either of those two answers would get you the mark, 2 2/4 or 2 1/2.